Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the HGLRC MotoWhoop HD, a 2-inch micro quadcopter which is equipped with the Caddx VISTA Nebula Nano digital transmission system. In this quick video I'm going to go over its features and specs, give you my feedback after testing it out, and show you some flight footage. In terms of packaging, inside the box along with the MotoWhoop HD, which is available with multiple radio receiver options, you can find a quick start guide, some stickers, a spare set of Emax AVAN 2-inch propellers in addition to the one which is pre-assembled on the quadcopter, an extra battery velcro strap, a Phillips screwdriver, some extra screws and nuts, plastic antenna tubes, a 90 degrees micro USB extension adapter, and 2 extra motor protectors. As for its specs, the HGLRC MotoWhoop HD features 1106 3800 kV motors which can handle up to 4S batteries. On the center of the frame you can find 25.5 by 25.5mm whoop-style all-in-one F7 flight controller that came pre-tuned and pre-flashed with Betaflight 4.2.0 and features an integrated 13A BLLES 4-in-1 ESC. Above it, well protected under the 3D printed TPU canopy, you can find the Caddx VISTA digital transmission unit. The battery is going to be mounted on the bottom of the drone and it's using an XT30 battery connector. The Nebula Nano V2 camera, which is also pretty well protected, is located on the front of the drone. And the HGLRC Hammer LHCP antenna, along with the radio receiver antenna, in case you have one of the Bind and Fly versions, are located on its back. As for the frame, which is based on a 1.5mm thick carbon fiber plate and plastic parts, its wheelbase is 90mm and it features a true X pattern. The width of each arm is 5.6mm, and in addition to the 25.5 by 25.5mm mounting holes, you can find 20 by 20 and 16 by 16mm mounting options. The weight of the MotoWhoop HD without a battery is 114.6 grams. And including a GNB 520 mAh 4S LHV battery, which should provide you with about 2 minutes of flight time, the total weight is 171.6 grams. Now after this quick introduction, before showing you the flight footage, I'm going to go ahead and give you my conclusions after testing the MotoWhoop HD. First of all, I can tell you that this little micro quadcopter is very fun to fly. It will provide you with an excellent power to weight ratio. I think that this canopy works very well in protecting both camera and VISTA units, and it is also well tuned. On the other hand, its downsides are that the flight times are relatively short, so you can expect about 2 minutes using this battery, and even though the 3D printed TPU canopy works well, the motor protectors, which are pretty robust, are not flexible, and at some point after crashing the drone a few times, you can expect that these parts are going to break, and that's probably the reason that HGLRC included 2 extra motor protectors. So I think that using this type of material, which is more flexible, would have been a better decision, and I also think that the flight controller could use some protection on its sides. Now by the way, you should note that out of the box, the camera is going to be mounted using the back 2 holes, and then you won't be able to adjust its angle, but the lens is going to be better protected, as opposed to the camera being mounted using the front 2 holes, where you'll be able to adjust the camera angle and go faster if you'd like to, but then in turn the lens is going to be more exposed. Anyway, that's going to be it for this quick video, and overall I think that if you are in the market for a fun little 2-inch quadcopter which is compatible with the DJI HD system and is capable of both flying outdoors and also indoors, for example in parking lots, the MotoWhoop HD is definitely something to consider. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.